Spicy, tender, and tasty. This beef is so delicious, and it's so easy to cook. Hi, I'm Ken Man. Today we are making spicy beef strips. There are two key steps to make this dish. One is the beef, and the other is the sauce. Let's prepare the beef first. Choosing the right part of the beef is critical. The shoulder area is both tender and affordable, so we'll choose this part. Then slice the beef against the grain. It should be about 5 mm thick. Too thick is hard to cook, and too thin is easy to break. After that, cut the slices into strips. They should be 5 mm wide as well. Each strip should be evenly cut, so the beef can be evenly cooked. After slicing them all, let's marinate the beef. Use some light soy sauce for flavor, cooking wine to remove the gamey taste, ginger and scallion to bring more fragrance. Then mix and massage to absorb the seasoning. Also, add some water. After absorbing the water, the beef will be more tender. Here we also need a bit of baking soda. It can help to break down the tough fibers. Don't forget the cornstarch, which can also tenderize the beef. Finally, add some cooking oil to prevent sticking and drying out. Then refrigerate and marinate the beef for 20 minutes. Temperature and cooking time are very important. For this dish, we set the water temperature to 100 Celsius degree and the cooking time is 100 seconds. Put the beef strips into the boiling water. Stir quickly to cook them evenly. Keep the heat on medium to maintain the temperature. After 100 seconds, take the beef out of the water immediately. So it's cooked just right but not overcooked, and beef strips are in their most tender and smooth state. Now let's make the sauce. Prepare a small bowl, add some spicy chili mix, add some chili powder for a beautiful color. Lastly, add some sesame seeds and minced garlic. Heat some canola oil until it smokes. Then pour it into the bowl. It will fully release the fragrance of the chili, sesame, and garlic. This is the simplest way to make red chili oil. For a more luxurious version, please refer to my previous bobo chicken. Next, add some light soy sauce, some sesame oil, and some sugar. Mix them together. A perfect and delicious sauce is done. Put the beef in this beautiful sauce. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro. Stir and mix well. Now it's time to try. The beef is perfectly tender and juicy. With this refreshing, delicious sauce, I'd say this is the best beef I've ever had. You'll love it if you try it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.